All the pomade containers are made from recycled milk jugs. One jug equals one container. My guys, it's Levi from Sunday, your hair guy, and today we're talking about first-hand supply. Felipe and Josh started First Hand in 2015 in Salem, Massachusetts. Felipe was in the coffee industry and Josh was a designer in digital marketing. While on tour, Felipe developed dandruff and he was getting breakouts and flaking on his scalp. He found out it was from the product that he was using, so he threw it out and he tried many other products hoping the problem would go away, but nothing worked. And then finally he decided to make his own. First Hand was created for the people that are aware of what they're putting on their bodies. The brand from there grew very quickly, and in November 2017, they quit their jobs and went all in, and they already had 16 SKUs. Their first line of product was everything natural for your body with no specific focus in mind. But in 2018, they refocused and became officially a hair brand with new sources, new suppliers, and new packaging. This new packaging is made from recycled milk jugs. One milk jug equals one container. And the bright colors use minimal dye compared to the original black, making for a smaller footprint. The drive behind First Hand has always been that people matter, with the thought that when people take care of themselves and others, they lead better lives. They do use clean ingredients and sustainability, but the real focus is people. They're constantly auditing their current products because in the hair industry as a whole, we haven't actually figured out what is and isn't harmful to the client. We don't have the research to prove too many things like they do in pharma. First Hand's focus is clean, and research like this takes time and intentionality. Clean means having a low toxicity and not causing harm to the body. That should be the main goal. Today we're going to cover the combo of the hair oil and the texturizing paste. But first, we want to give an honorable mention to the all-purpose pomade. It really is just that, all-purpose. When using it, use small amounts for short hair and a little bit more for locked-in hairstyles for long hair. It has a little bit of shine and it's quite light to go in, but it firms up, which makes it simple for clients to use. But the reason that you're here today is because of the hair oil and the texturizing paste mixed together. Both of these as standalone products are amazing. The hair oil works great for dealing with frizz or bringing life to dull and dry hair, and the texturizing paste works amazing as a pre-styler and as a medium hold paste for loose styles. The beauty of these two together is you get the life and healing properties of the oil while adding the weight and control of the texture paste. So first, let's pick up the hair oil. Put 2 drops in your palm and rub it all over your entire hand. You can use 4 drops if the hair is especially frizzy. Then run your hands all throughout the clean and wet hair, going through the sides, the back, the top. Grab your blow dryer and a wide tooth comb and blow dry the hair in the direction you'll style the hair. To get more volume with a longer top of the hair, blow dry for 10 to 15 seconds in the opposite direction of the style, and then comb and blow dry it back towards the style. Once dry, grab your texturizing paste and put a nickel-sized amount in your palm and rub it all over your hands. Then run your hands throughout the hair, styling it loosely. You can add more paste if you desire more shine or hold. Be aware that the oil is potent. It can come out very shiny and oily very quickly if you overdo it. 2 to 4 drops is enough in most cases. Also, when demonstrating this hairstyle for your clients, make sure to let them know that the texturizing paste is for light hold, so they don't load it up and waste product at home trying to glue their hair down. When you pick it up, you're gonna notice that First Hand smells amazing. It's super easy to use and it's good for you. I definitely wouldn't tell you to eat it, but with how natural it is, you probably wouldn't die. But please don't eat it. Guys, if you're on other platforms, so are we. Follow us everywhere at Ultimate Barber Supply and at Levi Switzerland. And always remember to support your local barber. With that, let's check out the Green Room Barbershop on Belmont Ave West in Kitchener, Ontario. The shop opened in November 2019. After they all used to work for a crap boss together at another shop, so Ed and Dave took it upon themselves to carry on the good that they had going within the team, and they started a new chapter. This was a shop that the city deserved, with staff that were treated like they should be. They now have a full cafe inside the shop as well. They're known for being super tight-knit, hanging out inside and outside of the shop, and their relationships are tightly woven in each other's lives. And their barber space for everyone embodies just that. Their barbershop is a cornerstone of the community, so although their bread and butter is young professionals, they have plenty of clients from age 5 to 95. The vibes are chill, the music is going, and they keep the good times rolling. Here's what the co-owner Dave said about First Hand Supply. They're simply top-notch, without overcomplicating things. First Hand checks all the boxes while presenting themselves with an elevated brand appeal and products that sell themselves. They're environmentally conscious and pretty much vegan based, so you don't have to worry about what goes on or in your body. As a shop, we also don't like a million options. They stick to what's good and deliver it well. You can find their shop at the Green Room Barbers, or you can buy their merch from their online shop or move to Kitchener and go work with them. If you're lucky, you'll even get to join them for the greenies at the beach retreat. You heard it here, you have to try First Hand Supply and you have to visit the Green Room Barbershop in Kitchener, Ontario. I'm Levi with Ultimate Barber Supply, and don't forget, support your local barber. And for the barbers and stylists watching, get your First Hand Supply at ultimatebarbersupply.com. Thank you guys so much.